In this video, I will show you how to delete row or column in Excel. Like you want to delete this column, select it, right click and delete. Entire column, entire row. So entire column and click on OK. Right click and delete and select entire column. Similarly, you can delete this row. Right click and delete and select entire row. That's it. So thanks for watching and comment on this video useful for you.